Hello everyone, this is Barbara with Papago Vans, and today I'm really excited to show you this beautiful 2026 Mercedes Sprinter. So let's take a look around and see how each part of this build was carefully crafted around the way people actually travel. So let's start over here. Here we have the CA-tuned front bumper. This is a great addition to the van, especially because it protects your engine bays. It's really good. If you maybe hit a rock or you hit a deer, this is gonna protect your front. Over here we have the triple R lights. These are really good for exterior lighting. These are really good at cutting through the dust or the fog. And up top we have the 50-inch LED light bar. The black Rhino wheels, these are rugged heavy-duty rim. These are really good. They're gonna protect you from hydroplaning. They're gonna protect you from slipping on the road, and they give you plenty of traction. Behind the black Rhino wheels, we have the Van Compass 4.3 lift kit. This is really good if you're off-roading or on the road. You can always adjust it depending on the terrain you're driving on. We have some extra side steps. Maybe it's not visible on the camera, but these vans are really giant, so these side steps are really useful, especially for a short person like me. Up top, we have a flatline Vanco Safari roof rack. This is gonna hold your solar panels, and you can also strap your mounting gear on them. And then over here, we also have this flatline Vanco side ladder. I love how this wraps around the wheel. It's exactly cut out according to the Black Rhino wheel. And then you can climb up, and let's say you have a dirty solar panel, you can just climb up there, clean it up. Or if you just want to enjoy the view, get some beers, you can always climb up and enjoy the view. We have another Black Rhino tire. This is your spare wheel, so in case you get a flat, you just detach this, replace this, and you're good to go back on the roads. And then up top on the Safari roof rack, there are some extra lights. In case you have your camping setup and it's too dark outside, this is gonna light up your whole area. Okay, moving on to the garage area. Over here, you'll find your whole electrical setup. You have your 800 amp hour battery and a 3000 watt inverter. Right above the electrical setup, you have your USB and USB-C outlet. Now under this whole setup, you're gonna find your flatline Vanco pull-out trays. These are really good if you want to store things. You can just pull them out in case you're storing something all the way in the back so you can easily access it. And then once you're done, just push it back in. You can also use this as a table. Maybe you want to grill something and you don't want to get the smell inside, so you just plug your grill in and you put it here and you're good to grill. And then once you're done, over here, you also have this little opening. So in case you get this place dirty, you can just take all the dirt out of here and close it. Over here, you'll find your Bosch water heater. Here in the back, you'll find 33 gallons of fresh water. Shower attachment. This is really good for outdoor showering. Let's say your feet get muddy or your dog gets dirty. You just open this up, plug this in, and you turn it on and you're good to shower. Before you take the shower, do make sure that your water pump is turned on back in the control panel that I'll show you later. Pro tip, once you're done, stretch it so that the water gets out so that you don't get your van flooded, and then just roll it and put it back in. We have side capsules. They just give you some extra space inside of the bedroom area. And over here, this is where you're gonna refill your water tank. Now above me, as you can see, there is a Nomadic awning. This is the button to extend it and to retract it. And now before we get inside, let's talk about a couple of stuff here. So over here you'll find your shoe cubby. This is where you can store your shoes before you enter the van in case you don't want to get your floors dirty. If your shoes are muddy, you can just store them here before you enter. Very convenient, very good feature. Over here you have your pull-out table. This is just some extra space if you want to snack on something, or you want to drink some drinks, do some food, or you have your whole camping setup. This is just that extra space to put things on. Now over here you have a couple of buttons. This is going to be the button for your Nomadic lighting. Over here you have some extra lights. That yellow is really good for cutting through dust and fog. And then lastly, you have your interior lights over here. Very conveniently placed so that you can turn it on before you enter the van. You have the side steps by Steelcraft. Again, very helpful if you're a short person. You can just easily enter the van. Now let's get inside. You have the swivel seats. They turn back and forth to just give you that extra seating arrangement. They both swivel. And then over here we have this beautiful handcrafted lagoon table. It does extend, and you have a cup holder over here. We make these in-house. And they also swivel. Again, you can adjust this based on your seating arrangement. One last thing I would like to add regarding this table is that it is detachable. In case you need some extra space or you don't want to use the table at the moment, you can just easily detach it over here. Above the swivel seats, you'll find your headliner shelf by Van Wife. You'll find all of your window covers. These do block out all the light. They block out the cold and the heat as well. These are all magnetic. All you have to do is attach them to the window and you're done. Next to the lagoon table, you have these beautiful blue cushions. And then this seating area also converts into a dog bed. Now under this seating area, you'll find some extra storage for maybe your books or whatever else you need to store in here, maybe some food, some dog food. Up top, you'll find your max air fan. This is a really cool feature of this van because it pulls the air in and out. So let's say you're camping out in the cold and you don't want to turn on your AC or you don't want to open the windows. All you have to do is turn this on and it's gonna bring the cool air in. It also works perfectly with the Nomadic AC back there because it creates this great airflow or air circulation in your van. Here you'll find your Isotherm Slim refrigerator. This has plenty of space and it still saves enough space in the van. And over here, you'll find a freezer too. There's some extra storage space. Now let's talk about the bathroom area. So over here, you have your Laveo Dry Flush toilet. You have this detachable shower head. Again, do not forget to turn on your water pump before you start taking a shower. You have the shower light switch. And then down here, you have your anti-slip grid mat. And lastly, these sliding doors, which gives you extra privacy when you're showering. Now moving on to the bedroom area. Over here, you'll find some more storage up here and down here. You can also hang your clothes. Above the bed, you're gonna find two reading lights. These are really good if you wanna maybe read a book or work on something and you need some extra light and you don't want to turn the lights on inside the whole van. You just turn these two on. There's one in the back as well. And then on top of the bed, you'll find another extra storage for whatever you need to put there. Now let's talk about this mattress. This is a memory foam mattress. We tested a lot of mattresses before and this turns out to be the best one so far. So we're using this mattress for all of our builds. On the sides, you have two windows. Up here, you have your Nomadic AC. I did mention this before. This is very powerful. It's gonna cool up your whole van really fast. Up top, you'll find more storage. Over here, you'll find your Starlink. This is gonna give you internet everywhere and anywhere you are, whether you're up in the mountains or somewhere stuck in the desert. This is gonna give you really strong internet. Do make sure though that when you're parked somewhere, there's no tree above you because that's gonna block the signals from the satellites. Over here, you're gonna find your control panel. This is where you find your water pump, your freeze protect, your shower drain, and your water heater. Let me talk a little bit about these. So I did mention this before, but the water pump needs to be turned on when you're taking shower. Otherwise, you're not gonna have any running water. As for the freeze protect, it is what it is. It's gonna protect your water from freezing. And then for the shower drain, this is a great feature because it's gonna suck up all your water. So let's say your van is parked in a little bit of incline. You don't have to worry about your van getting flooded because this is gonna suck all the water out of your shower. And then lastly, we have the water heater. This is gonna heat up all your water. So let's say you wanna maybe wash the dishes with a hot water or you just wanna take a hot shower. This is the button you're gonna be looking for. And then what I really like about this control panel is that it has a touchpad. So it's very convenient for use. And this is where you're gonna control everything inside your van. So over here, we have a Vizio 32-inch smart TV. This TV swivels. So let's say you're laying in the bed and you want to watch your favorite TV show. All you have to do is pull this down and then pull this TV out and turn it around. Or if you're in the kitchen cooking something and you want to watch your favorite cooking show, you can turn it around to this side as well. And then once you're done, you just put it back, you lock it back in, and you're good to go, and it's not going to move around when you're driving, so you don't have to worry about that. And then let's talk about this beautiful bamboo countertop. This is a very durable countertop. You can cut whatever vegetables or anything you want over here, and it's gonna endure anything. And then over here you have your double burner induction cooktop. This cooktop is amazing because you don't have to worry about setting anything on fire, as it's gonna turn off once you're done cooking. So if there's nothing on the cooktop, it's gonna turn off by itself. You have your built-in convection Freon microwave and air fryer all in one. Again, some extra storage to store your food and groceries. Okay, let's talk about this area over here. This is your flush bamboo insert. This is a great addition to your van because this gives you some extra storage. So let's say you're maybe cooking and someone is coming to visit you and you don't want to have all the mess in here. You just grab all the things, put it over here, and you close it back. Or let's say you want to quickly relocate somewhere. This is going to give you that extra protection from things to not fall off the table. Another great thing about this is that it just gives you that extra counter space, which brings me to this thing over here, flip up extension. This is a great addition to this van because it saves extra space, but at the same time, you have some extra space for cooking and prep. And once you're done, you just put it back and you're good to go. Now over here we have this stainless steel undermount sink, and this is your detachable faucet. Again, this swivels, so if you want to take an outdoor shower, wash your muddy feet or your dog before you enter the van, you just turn it around, turn it on, and then put it back in. This is your Espar heater. This is how you're gonna warm up your whole van, and the heat is gonna come from down here. There are some other cool features of this van that I did not mention, but you're gonna find them over here. And this concludes the van tour video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let us know down in the comments what is your favorite feature of this van. Give us a like, a subscribe, and see you in the next video.